Hello, I'm FH Coding. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use pip. So what even is pip? Pip is a package manager for Python packages or modules. What is a package? Well, a package contains all the files you need for a module. For example, the Pygame module. If you have Python version 3.4 or later, pip is included, and you're probably wondering, well, where do I use pip? You don't use pip in a code file. Instead, you use pip in a terminal. And there's two places you can use pip. You can use pip in your terminal by just clicking terminal, new terminal, like this. But there's another way you can do it. So I'm on a Windows machine right now, and on the bottom of my screen, I have a search bar. So if you don't want to do it in your terminal on your IDE, you can just go to the bottom of your search bar and search up command prompt. And command prompt looks something like this. This is what command prompt looks like. If you're on a Mac, I think Macs have something similar to command prompt, and that's called OS terminal or something. I'm not really quite sure, but something like that. But for this video, I'm not gonna use my command prompt. Instead, I'll just use the terminal that comes with VS Code. First, let's check if you have pip installed. So in order to do so, you do py dash m pip pip 2 dashes version, and you just press enter, and I have pip version 19.23. So I know I have pip installed. The main difference in using pip in Mac and Linux is that in Mac and Linux, instead of writing py, you write out Python. But in Windows, you do py. So that's the main difference. So for some reason, if you have an old version of Python that's below Python 3.4, there's two things you can do. One is to install a more recent version of Python, but not the most recent version, because if you're installing the most recent version, there's a chance that some modules might not be equipped to work with that version. That's why I prefer to download a version that's newer but not the newest. But if you don't want to install another version of Python, you can just do this. You can do py, you can do this. Py get dash pip dot py space 2 dashes and user. If you wanted to do this on Mac or Linux, this would be the exact same, except this yellow py would just be Python. I'm not gonna run this because I already have pip on my computer. If you want the latest version of pip, you can just do this. Py space dash m pip install dash uppercase U and pip. So I'm just gonna run this, and good. We just upgraded pip. And now I'm gonna show you how to use pip to install the pandas library. And the pandas library is just a library in Python, and it's used for data analysis. And this is how you do it. Pip install pandas. And that's pretty cool. I mean, pip just makes it so easy to download and install stuff that you need. And that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Peace.